welcome back to my channel. So as you see in the description box below, I'll be doing a individual lash extension tutorial, and so we're just going to hop right into the video. So I'll use the lash tray. I use Salon Pro glue and also tweezers. Use whatever glue you prefer. This is just what works for me. So what I like to do is go in and hold my eyelid all the way up until I can get a good visual on my lash line. And I'll set the individual lash directly on the lash line, starting from the outer corner, working my way in. I like to use whatever's near me. I'll go ahead and fan that and let that dry. And then just complete that process. Add the second lash here, and then let that dry, and then continue. Every 2 or 3 lashes, what I like to do is go in with my tweezers, and you'll see this here in a bit. And I just like to secure the lashes in place because you are putting new glue on every time you add an individual lash. So just securing that in place, making sure what you already done does not move. Sorry if I'm all over the place. And then sometimes my eyes does tend to water, so what I like to do is just grab a piece of tissue and tilt my head the other way, and usually that helps me. Then what I'm doing now is just going back in. So this is the 3rd lash, I believe. The 3rd lash, and then I'll just complete the process for the next 2. Here I am just adding the 4th lash here to my lash line. As you can see, it's almost complete. One more lash and we should be done with this eye here. That every 2 to 3 lashes, you'll want to go ahead and secure the lashes that you've already completed, and just make sure that they don't move. Just giving the extra, I am just adding the last lash to my eyelid here. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't want to talk too much because I just want you guys to watch the video just so you know what's going on. You just continue to add based on how your natural lashes are. First eye down, and then that looks good. And then the next eye to go. Overall, this process took me maybe 7 to 10 minutes. I can probably do this in 5 if I'm rushing, but it's super, super, super simple, and it lasts at least about a week if I'm doing it this way here. Going in with the other eye, And I do want to piggyback off what I just said. This process here, the lashes do last about a week. Only because once I did these lashes, I didn't go in and add additional glue under, which I tend to do if I want them to last longer. I'll just add a line of glue where I've already done the lashes, and I'll secure that, smash that down, and that normally lasts me up to a month. But since I knew that I would be taking these off soon, I didn't do that. But if you want a quick little look, this definitely works. Do want to say here, I've pretty much completed everything, just securing them in place. I did go ahead and add an additional small piece to that eye here off camera because it was a little shorter than my previous lash that I just did. But overall, this came out very good, very quick, and they look good. Here is the finished look. I must say I do like them, quick and easy. They look good to me. But thank you for watching. If you got this far, do not forget to enter into the drawing happening Christmas Eve. 3 winners will be winning a gift card. Thank you for watching. Bye.